Hey, Brandon here. I am the Ketchup Man. This is not a DeWalt advertisement, alright? Hey, today we are making carnitas, okay? And this is not going to be some weird ketchup or barbecue sauce or my personal favorite, mustard, carnitas. This is going to be authentic Mexican carnitas, okay? But, I mean, authentic. I mean, come on. More than one way to skin a cat. But anyways, starting off with some butt roast. Now, I guess you're supposed to use pork shoulder, but I got a feeling that folks in Mexico use whatever they got. I'm sure they've cooked it more than one way with more than one cut of meat. But yeah, so I got pork butt roast. It just happened to be what we had. And I said, I'm going to use that. I'm going to make some carnitas out of that. So I'm going to cube it up, or more like chunk it up. But I'll get with you later. I'm going to let my phone charge. I'll get with you later, and I'll show you the process. And we're back. I am the Ketchup Man, and I am done cubing up, or chunking up, the shoulder. And after I've chunked it up, I have salted it with kosher salt, and I left it set for a little over 2 hours actually. So mess around. So that's what it looks like all chunked up. Though I ended up making like twice as much as I needed because now I've got it. I've literally got the equivalent of 2+ sticks of butter in this pan, and it is just cooking in this pan. And I'm gonna move it around a little and flip it, but you're supposed to actually let this thing cook for about 20 minutes like this. The original recipe calls for lard. I use butter, whatever. So yeah, I could probably swap it out and do another load, but I think I'm just gonna save this for a crock pot meal probably in a couple days. So it's all salted heavily with kosher salt, so it'll keep fine. So yeah, so we're gonna let that cook up for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna walk you through how to season it, spice it up, and then how to slow cook it for an hour and a half. But that's coming up. I have now reduced the heat after 20 minutes or so of cooking this up. And now the fun begins. We're going to add some evaporated milk. It said like 12 ounces or something. I don't know. Is that 12 ounces? Yeah, it is. Listen, we ain't doing none of that measuring stuff. It says smash some oranges in there. Oh, yeah. There we go. And it said throw the orange peels in. Well, I think I better save these little mandarins. Okay. Well, we're going to stir that up. Oh, and I'm supposed to add all these seasonings and spices. I got garlic, onion powder, pepper medley. I'm going to throw some chili powder in. I'm supposed to have some bay leaves and a few other things that we just don't have. I thought we did, but that's what happens. Sometimes you go to your spice rack and you're out of a few things, but anyway, it's all spices. It all tastes good. Alright, we'll check back in. Alright, well, I got all that stirred up. I think I might want to turn that on a little higher. It's supposed to be slow cooking. Okay, that's good. I think that's good. Nothing is burning. I'm cooking. Anyways, I forgot. You're supposed to add Coca-Cola. That Mexican Coca-Cola, but in absence of that, I just grabbed a Coke Zero. It's got citric acid instead of the sugar. That's good. So I think that should give us some authentic flavor. All right, we'll get back to you in a bit. Hey, Ketchup Man, this is the results of the carnitas. It's gonna be really good. Hey, can someone hand me a fork so I can taste this? Thank ya. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's good. That's flavorful. All right, Ketchup Man signing out.